Hey guys, hope you're all doing well and you have some spare time because the VPS feature for CodeSmash is finally out, and today I'm going to show you how you can deploy a WordPress website on the VPS with CodeSmash. So let's get started quickly. You can see here that now you have a new item called AWS Lightsail. So let's click on that to deploy a Lightsail VPS instance. Furthermore, here you can see all the specs of the VPS that you can deploy. If you change the app and use a Windows machine, you'll see that the specs have changed to a Windows machine. So for us, let's go and select WordPress. If you click on more, you can either choose a regular WordPress or a multi-site one. We're just gonna go with the regular one. So let's add a name for our WordPress website. And once we're done with that, it's time to deploy. Just remember, guys, that you can actually deploy unlimited number of instances using CodeSmash at no additional cost. And once the deployment is done, you can see right here, your app is the first one on the list. So let's click on this one. And once it loads, you'll be able to see that we actually are running WordPress, and it's also running on a small Linux machine. So let's quickly go to the network tab. Here we can see the public IP. Let's copy this one and go to the browser and just paste it in. And there you go, guys. Your WordPress website is running already. So this is fine. Let's go to the next step. So you gotta also be able to access your VPS instance directly, and you can do it through CodeSmash. So just go here to the Services tab, and you'll be able to see your instance right here. So click on this one, and now you're going to be sent directly to AWS, and you can see your instance. Just by clicking on Connect, you'll be able to see that your WordPress website is running. Okay, so the most important part is done. Let's go back to the Network tab, and instead of just the public IP, let's create a static one. So even if you turn off your VPS instance and turn it back on, you'll have the same IP. So this is what the static IP gives you. If we now go to the domain tab, you'll see that the static IP is turned on. And this is actually needed if we want to create a distribution, a global distribution for our website. So let's turn the CDN on and deploy. Once the deployment is done, you'll actually be able to serve it from HTTPS, which is a secure source. So let's check that out. You can clearly see you got the CloudFront right here. Let's go to the browser, and yeah, there you go. This is now served through a secure source. Next, we are going to go and try to add a actual domain to this CDN. You can see the domains right here. If you don't have a domain registered, you can just click here and register one in AWS. I already have one, so we're going to use this one. So back here in CodeSmash, you can now go and click on the domains button. Just wait for the domains to load, and you'll see that you have to add it to a Lightsail instance. Once that's added, it's usable. You can click on it, and now you can see all the values right here. So these are all the DNS records for your domain. So next step is to add the root domain to the DNS record. So just click the toggle, and yeah, it's already been added. A new A record has been added with the target of our distribution. Here we can also add a subdomain like this. Just wait for a while, and there you go. It's been added right here. And yeah, you can also see that the target is our CDN distribution. So now the only thing that's left to do is to add the certificate, and you only need to add the subdomain that you want to visit. The root domain is going to be added by default. Once that's added, we can go back. one more. And there you go, you have one certificate available. If we open it up, you can see that the certificate for this specific domain is right here. And yeah, so it's time to actually choose the certificate right here and attach it to our distribution. So select it and make sure to attach it to your domain. And when it's done, just go and click visit domain, and there you go, it's being hosted from your custom domain. So guys, that's pretty much it. This is the first in the series of VPS tutorials, so stick around for the next one, and I'll talk to you then.